So I caught an oyster, and it's a really big oyster, and I had to bag it 1,000,000 times so it wouldn't leak. And let's see what it looks like. Oh boy, super ready. I don't know if this is really even edible, but I'm going to there's a pearl inside. Because it's a really big oyster, like it's huge. I don't know. You see this? It doesn't even smell bad. That's crazy. It was alive when I got it, but it's obviously not anymore. Okay, let me clean it up and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's huge. Okay. I don't even, oh boy. Does it open? I feel like it opens this way. I need something, break a nail. The bitch closed. All right. I feel like I have to crack it at this point. Whereas at one point, it was just opening on its own. You can kind of see it. Wouldn't it be so cool if there was a pearl in there? You really never know, huh? Ugh, it looks like it pooped on itself. Someone's gonna have to teach me how to do this. I'm clearly not smart enough or not brave enough. I don't want to break a nail. I also don't want to break anything inside. I should call my brother. He knows about this stuff better than I do. I just feel like you have to be aggressive. Yo, I almost cut myself. What? I'm starting to smell the ocean. This is like connected to it. I thought it was just seaweed. It's kind of starting to open, right? Oh, this is connected to them. And here this whole time I thought it, like I said, I thought it was seaweed. Or was they trying to eat it? Yo, I bet you this is still good, but it's not me. But look how pretty this is. Looks like a heart. But like now I want to do like a science class and understand like, yeah, that probably was stuck in there. Ew, I don't know what I'm touching, but. Super interesting. Just want to make sure there's no, so this is what I just ripped. This is what was keeping it closed. And the bottom too. It's just so interesting. I think this is where the pearl would probably be, if there was one. It honestly smells like an oyster. Like, I don't know. I feel bad. I feel like someone should eat it, but we're gonna put it in the composite and let the earth just take it right back. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe save this shell as like a memory because it's just so beautiful. Okay, composite, there you go. And then, I feel like wash my hands instantly. And it's actually super pretty with these colors. Yeah, I'm saving this. I'm so glad I didn't crack it. I'm sorry if you're watching this and you're like, oh my God, I want to eat it. I know I'm just not an oyster girl like that. I do like raw stuff, but I don't know. This is gonna be so pretty once it's cleaned up. I'm gonna do that real quick in the sink. But yeah, we found this in, where were we? Clearwater. Stunning. All right, so I got it all cleaned up. And look, it's just on the risk of possibly breaking in the middle, so I'm gonna be really careful, but stunning, stunning. Catch you one.